everyone, welcome back to Kotlin with Compose. Today we are diving into fundamental topics in Kotlin, list and array. These are essential for managing collections of data in your Kotlin. So let's get started. Alright, let's open our Kotlin playground and start with array. An array is a collection of elements that we can access by an index. Here's how you can write an array in Kotlin. Let's create let's call it numbers and make it array of let's say number 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5. So this is our array of integers. So now let's print the first index, that is 0 index, and print second index, that is 1. So now let's run and see 1 and 2. So for the first index, that is 0 index, there is 1, and for the index second, that is 1, that is 2. So here you can see the input. Now let's try to modify the value at index 1. So let's number the index 1 equals to, like, let's convert it to 22. So and let's print it again. And if we print now numbers 1, so we successfully modified the index 1 value with 22 here, and you can see the updated value. So in this example, we create an array of integers using array of. We access element using index and modify an element by assigning a new value to a specific index. Unlike arrays, lists are part of Kotlin standard libraries and offer more functionality. The two main types of lists are mutable and immutable list. Let's start with an immutable list. So let's remove this here and let's make a list of fruits, and we assign by list of syntax, and let's call it apple, banana and coconuts. So now let's print the first index here and print another one. Okay, for you so I made a mistake here, so it's good now. So now let's run and see. Okay, I missed here PRI and T. So okay, now that should fine now. So apple and banana, as you can see here. So now let's try to change the second value banana. So let's try to change it, and so let's call it orange, and let's try to see fruits. So we changed one. So now if we run, we have a compile error because it's of type list of is of type immutable. It is of type immutable, so hence we cannot reassign it. So if you want to make it like mutable list, then we need to modify it to mutable list. So let's see an example of mutable list. Just now we see the example of immutable list, so let's create a mutable list. So let's call it vegetable now, as we just make a immutable of type fruit, so vegetables here. So and mutable list of, so let's call it carrot, potato and tomato. So this is our mutable list. So now let's try to print our, so let me just copy this. So just print the 0 index here. And let's just copy this and print the index. What's happening here? So I think we are good here. Okay, so now let's just print this, and we can see potato and carrot at 0 and 1 position. So now let's try to modify it. Now vegetables, like let's change carrot to radish, let's say it for now, and let's print this fellow here, and let's see, first it will say potato and then it will change to, oh no, yeah, potato, and it will change to radish. So yeah, potato and radish. So we can even change like this, or we can even do like dot add and just, you know, you can like this, you can also define like radish here, and let's print again. Okay, so what we did here, it should have been added, but okay, so I forgot that we didn't mention that we just added, so it will be added to the last one. Let's try to print the indexed second here, and so if you print, like you can see that 0, 1, 2, so we added the fourth one here, so we can use 0, 1, 2, fourth. So if we type 4 here, and if we just run here, and we can see, oh, actually 3, it's 0, 1, 2 and 3, so sorry. So yeah, we are good to go. So this was the mutable list, which we created with using mutable list of, that allows us to modify, add or remove elements. Now let's summarize what we have learned so far. Arrays are of fixed size collections that you can modify, while list offers more functionality over immutable and mutable options. Understanding this difference will help you manage collections of data effectively in your Kotlin applications. That's it for today's tutorials on arrays and lists in Kotlin. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Kotlin with Compose for more Kotlin tips and tutorials. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we post a new video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. And also, I'll be making next videos on Jetpack Compose, so please stay tuned to Kotlin with Compose.